Okay, so normally we go into a house from the front door, but I have to show you what it's like to go into the back door of this house. So first of all, there is a door outside of the enormous garage. Look at how big this garage is. So you drive your car into the garage, your big Wagoneer or Armada or whatever you have, and get your groceries. Come up here, a few little steps, not bad, and you are in this fantastical drop zone. Groceries can go here, coats can go here, or if you're super nifty, you can go straight into this enormous pantry and put all your groceries away. And then it's right here in the kitchen where you can cook everything in the spot or give yourself a glass of wine because you're back from your chores. So this is the laundry room, and it has so many cabinets and granite countertops, a full sink, the area for the washer and dryer, of course, but also an area for another refrigerator with water and plenty of power outlets. Walks straight into one of two primary closets for the primary suite. And the second super large primary closet. I'm not going to say which person this is for because everybody's different. I am a super big fan of a half bathroom. It is so nice to have a bathroom that your guests can use. It's not part of your bedroom situation, and this one is conveniently located just right off the kitchen. And so I have a family. We have an office that has some wood look luxury vinyl plank. It can also double as an extra bedroom if needed, a flex room. It goes straight through with a pocket door to a shared bathroom, closet, and then you've got your tub toilet area and another pocket door leading to another bedroom. So another one of my favorite features about this home is that off this third bedroom, you've got private access to a bathroom that also has access to the hallway. Now this hallway is right here by this exterior door, which is leading straight to this great big patio. And you also have area that's already been designated for a pool. Should you want to build your beautiful pool in the midst of all these trees. I love it.